Let's get this going. We had a good week today, as you can see. I'm just gonna go over the trades that I couldn't voice over because I was at work. So let's get into it.
Order filled.
First trade. Oh, let me pause this real quick. So that sound, I was kind of testing something out. When it hits, when you're in profit and you hit a certain point, I have my stop automatically go a tick under or above my entry point because I want to stay afloat as much as possible. But sometimes this did cost me because I left a lot of money on the table. And we were very volatile, so we instantly got taken out. And see, automatic again. You're gonna see why this is kind of not messing with me a lot. Gets me stopped out too fast. So got in. Oh, I got in here aggressively because I missed my entry and it wasn't gonna go back up. So I just instantly sell marketed. And since I did that, I kind of just wanted to get in and out. Put a buy limit there. Put a tick above or a tick under. Oh, we hit it right here. Bam, hit it. We left a runner. Runner went on for a good amount. 8 points. 10 points. 13. Oh, about 12 points. Oh, no, I think I got stopped out somewhere around here. Yeah, I kept dragging it. And then we got stopped out. So that was a pretty good trade. I was happy about that. If it actually gets me out here. Yep. I was happy about that. That was a good trade. All right, next trade. All right, we're in profit. I adjusted my stop a little bit. Okay, now wait for real started dropping. Almost got stopped. A tick before getting stopped. And then we got stopped. Oh, we got stopped right there.
Order canceled.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Stopped. Oh, okay. So I got stopped here. I remember this trade. I got stopped here. There was just so much volatility. Like honestly, my intuition kind of just told me to get back in. Sounds kind of dumb, but I was like, no, I'm getting back in. This has to work. And so thankfully we did get in.
Order filled.
And then we finally got a drop, and then we kind of played it safe right here. And we started dropping tremendously. So I'm going to sell half here.
Order filled.
Just to lock in. We're already in 9-point profit. And then instant reverse. That was crazy. All right, so March 5th. Here we go. I was trying to see if we could pull back a little bit, but it kind of just ran without me. So definitely missed that one. I was kind of pissed. Oh, wait a minute.
Order filled.
No, never mind. It did pull back. My fault. It did pull back. And then I think it took us out. Took us out right here.
Stop filled.
So right here, I tried to get in on a failed second entry short because we were obviously in an uptrend and people were trying to short here. And I went in with one contract because the risk was kind of big. So now we're in profit. Put it at a tick above entry. And then I was messing with something over here, and then we got taken out.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Bam.
Order canceled.
Got in.
Order filled.
Right here. I did too. I risked a little bit. And I think it took us out.
Order canceled.
Later in the video, you're going to see me taking that off because it kind of doesn't really do me justice because now I'm waiting for another entry. And I just want to stay in the trade and get in once. I don't want to have to keep trying to re-enter. And I think this trade went away without me. Oh, no, we got filled back in, but I think I lost. My ass was thinking about moving the stop.
Stop filled.
Got stopped out there. All right, so March 6th. Taking a short. Oh, no, we got stopped out on here, I remember. Got stopped. R6 again, same, another trade. I honestly thought this trade was going to shoot, but I think when I put it a tick above entry, we got stopped out. I honestly thought we were going to retest that high. See, went all the way up, then came back down.
Stop filled.
So the next clip will be me actually live trading, and hope y'all enjoy. Might have to get in here.
Order submitted.
Oh, I missed it, bro. Oh.
Order submitted.
Hopefully I could get in.
Order canceled.
Hopefully I could get in. If I don't get in, then shit, bro. 1, 2. Come on, pull back.
Order filled.
Come on, we need to hit this high. We're in a clear uptrend. Volume's good. Push.
Target filled.
Nice.
Submitted.
Might get a second entry here. Oh, get trapped, huh? That second entry, we might be targeting this second entry long down here. It's my guess.
Order canceled.
Because if we... trying to think.
Order submitted.
This is trap. I would like for it to take out these shorts and then I could get in here. Okay, so they took them out.
Order filled.
I'm going to get in. Take out these shorts. Trying to stay afloat here. Take out these shorts, baby. Take out those shorts. Come on.
Target filled.
Let's go. I don't know, dude. That doesn't look too good. That's a... Wow.
Order canceled.
Wow. Of course, when I get hesitant, dude, that's crazy. Just wow. Dude, the volatility, honestly, dude, is like nuts.
Order submitted.
If there's a trap here, dude, we're going to get in. Risk is not going to be... That risk is kind of horrible. We're going to try it. It's a small scalp.
Order filled.
Get in here. Stop above this candle because there's more trap traders here. If we lose, we lose.
Stop filled.
Yeah. I think I might be done after that. Unless, okay. First entry short, second entry short. Let's try something here.
Order filled.
It's a big ass fucking risk. Come on, we need it. I want to drop two points so I can put it at break even. That's a nice signal bar though. Very nice signal bar. Drop 2 points so we can put it at break even. Risk, my fault, on me. This is gonna be my last trade. There we go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. If you hit this target, I'm done for the day, market. Come on, bless me. Bless me. If you hit this target, I'm done for the day. 6 points. Or 5.25. Oh, we're going to get hit.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm done for the day. That's fine. The trend is down. The trend is down. We just need to hit this, bro. There are trap traders right here. Right here.
Order filled.
Might have fucked myself here. This will bite me in my ass. Nice. It wants to.
Target filled.
I'm done. That was a sketchy trade. I'm not even going to lie, but I'm done for the day. We hit it. That was fine. It was respecting the EMA. Trap traders here. Yeah. So I'm done. I'll see y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, dude. We survived all this. Yeah, we're good. I'm done. I am fucking done. I'll see y'all next week. Thank you very much. So these are my results for the week. 70% win rate, which is fucking pretty good. All trades. Dude, I gotta buy the lifetime license. These fees are getting crazier. I just gotta trade less. Here are all the trades that I took. Fully risk managed. That's what I like to see. And yeah, pretty good week for March. We're gonna make a comeback from February, so see everyone Monday.